What's the meaning of combine? Combine. Combine.
Combine. Combine. Combine refers to the act of bringing two or more things together to create a single entity. The result of combining is the formation of a new unified object, concept, or system. Combining can be done with physical objects such as ingredients in a recipe, or it can be done with more abstract concepts such as ideas or theories. The outcome of a successful combination should ideally result in a greater strength, efficiency, or synergy than could have been achieved by each individual component on its own.